You guys don't know how excited I am going to the junkyard for Junkyard Adventures. I haven't been to the junkyard, oh my gosh, probably like 5 months, probably longer than that. But I am super excited. I am so excited going back to the junkyard. I'm just gonna pick some parts up for the orange element, just some random small plastic pieces, and I need a rim. I need one rim too. Y'all see that another time, but I just need a rim, some plastic pieces, and whatever else I can find. If I find anything extra that I seen people need it, I'm gonna buy it, and hopefully I could post it somewhere like Element Driven or something like that, so you guys can buy it. So let's get on an adventure.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money.
All right, so I made it here. I just gotta find row 44, and I think that's like all the way to the back, I think. Let me show you guys. So it's all the way, I think it's no, it may be halfway, but I think it's halfway down this row here. They said they have, well, they didn't say, I saw it on. Let me let you guys know, to find parts really fast and easy, go to row 52 app, and it tells you all the cars that's been delivered recently, and sometimes a little bit old, but like when I say old, probably been on here for probably a month or so, and then after that they take the cars down and then crush them. So after that it's gone. Oh, let's see, I found one, the gray one here. I think this is row 44. She's all tore apart. And that's a door handle right there. Probably gonna take that, so I'm gonna set my bag there, right there. It's got a nice tail light. Hey, tail lights be so expensive though. This is the part right here I need, and this part I need. Let's take a look in the inside. Nothing special there. Let's see, I'm not sure. I think this is the driver's side. I need this. The back seats are still there. Let's see, nothing else. Window regulator is gone for sure. They always break. So I'm gonna take that, put it over here. See if this door open. There we go. I think this goes right here, so we don't need that, I don't think. Let's see if anything in the back. Really nothing there. I want to get one of these handles so I could put it in the back. So I'm gonna get that. Oh, I need to get that dome light for my Uncle Element, and I need these lights here. Sweet, I think Element's gonna have everything I need. I am going to look at the other one. I think they have one on 47, but I'm gonna take all the parts from this one first that I need. I'm gonna go ahead and take this tail light. I know it's gonna be expensive, but I gotta find out how much it is because I really need a tail light. The lens on my tail light, it fell off. It's inside just dangling. I mean, I could try some kind of way of fixing it, but we're gonna see. Let's take some parts off. All right, so I got some of the parts. I'm heading over to this other element. And it's a nice color. Man, take a look, y'all. I love the color of this. And, oh, they took it. I needed this cover here, but it's one on the other one, but it's locked and it's hard for me to get into it, so I might have to damage some stuff. Let's see if it's inside. Oh, no, this is the tailgate. They damaged a lot. Nothing here I need. I'll probably take that door handle if it's okay. Here's the other one here, in black. I wish they would have left the switches. Let me check the other side. Oh no, the other door panel is gone. So I'll probably take that handle. Let's see the cover on the back end of it, and it's starting to rain. Oh yeah, they cleaned this door off. Oh, it's got the unlock. That's what I wanted, the lock and unlock feature. But it feels like it's broken. Yeah, it's broken on it. Because it gets stuck right there. Let's see, anything here I need? There's another handle. Don't think I need that. I guess I'll go back to the other one. It's nothing here, anything special I need. Let's see, these always break. Oh, that one's still good condition. Everything else is mostly here. I don't think it's anything under here I need. I wanted these side markers, but I probably have to order a new one. Let's see here. I know it's gonna be something. Oh, I need the seat thing. Both of them. I don't see how they break and they rubber. Gotta hurry up because OSK is here. Let's go ahead and grab that one too. it's kind of weird for me closing it off back up. Let's see all of. You know what I think? I wish I had the front bumper. All right, let's go back to the other element real quick. And it's just right here. So I gotta try to get this open. I had to peel that joker open like a sardine can. See, I hope I don't cut myself. Got it. Yes. And this is what I need. All right, let me get that. It was hard. So I had to took out the ashtray. To some people to me it's a coin tray. But I'm probably in another video I'm gonna explain how to get this off. It's two Phillips screws here, and then it's 3 at the top. Let me show you on here. So those are the 3. Let me put it down. So it's 2 Phillips screws here, and then it's 3 at the top, and this is the cruise control button, and that will then you could take this whole thing out, because you can't just take out the ashtray. It'll break because these pins was pressed in there.
Yep. Looking for the car.
Oh. So I'm done. I'm out of the junkyard. I'm standing outside in my element. Let me show you what parts I need and what parts I don't need. And one part, it's a maybe. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I got ideas. So this is all the stuff I need here. All this is for the orange element, and this part here, this tail light is for mine. I don't know if you can see, but the lens is sitting down there, and it's got some cracks in it. This one is actually okay, just a little bit dirty, but I'm happy to get that. This is only $30, so I was fine with that. These are all the extra parts that I got that I need. So just a few handles, one black. This is a center dome light, and this is all the rest of them. So this is all the rest of them. These two are passenger door, and this is a rear door. This is for the folding seats. I have an idea for this, so I can actually build out my I'm building out my camper. Most likely I'm gonna build it out to a camper. That's why there's no seats or nothing in here. I got plans, but this is pretty much it. I do have, let's see, I did get like all the screws, the little covers. I got this to put back here to put my latch in, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and put these all back in here so they won't be all over the car. Oh, and this dome light is for my uncle's element, so that's why I got that one. I hope my tail light don't get broken. I need to put my Crocs back on. All right, so that's pretty much it for the I'm sitting in a car now. I'm about to take off for the Junkyard Adventures. I I could have just stayed here all day, but it started raining too. And plus, I got everything I think I needed. I'm hoping that I got everything I needed. My biggest thing was that rear cover on the hatch. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I really needed that because that was a big eyesore on the orange element. So I'm happy to get all the parts I need for that element to make it almost 100%. I'm pretty sure almost 100%, just not quite there yet. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much. If you have any comments, or if you want to buy one of those parts, I would definitely send it to you. Just hit me up on the comments and let me know, and then I'll get you some additional information on that product. Thank you guys so much. Please comment, like, subscribe. Until then, later.